Hey everybody, this is my first time flying my drone. I just got a Spark drone, DJI Spark, and I took it out to this park over here. I have no idea the name of the park, but we're gonna give it a try. I don't see a lot of obstacles. Nice little view of the mountains up here. I'm over in Golden, Colorado right now, and we'll see if this newbie virgin drone pilot will crash his drone today or make a successful takeoff. So I'm going to switch back over to the feed from the drone itself because I've got to use my phone, which I'm using to tape right now, to actually fly the craft. I ordered a remote control. I should get it probably in next week, and then I'll take it back out again, and hopefully by that time I'll have the attachment so I can use my pad instead, so I can videotape me flying it. But anyways, I read a lot of reviews about the DJI Spark, and it looked like a good beginner drone, and always wanted to do it. So let's give it a try today. So my first successful drone flight. Perfect, no crashes, looked great. So easy. The only thing is when I did return to home, it kind of missed the landing spot by maybe about 2 feet. But I just stuck my hand out and it landed right in my hand. Amazing. I'm not sure why. I got to read the instructions a little more. Maybe I did this. That's probably me. I probably did something wrong. But anyway, great little drone. You guys will love it. Anyways, hope to do some more videos with it. We're going to do some hiking. And thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.